Hey, my name is Travis Baird, and for my group project, I worked with Cody Hoskins. We decided that we were going to design a compound bow in SolidWorks and not make it, but just design it. So the problem is that if you look up compound bows and you're getting into it, you're going to be overwhelmed with so much information that you aren't going to know what to do. People will find things from millions of different brands to junky bows to really nice bows. And you may not need that nice of a bow, but you don't want that crappy of a bow. So it's really hard. So we kind of see a gap in this as well. Why isn't there a custom bow? Why isn't there a bow that needs to be built for the specific person so they can pay what they want to pay? Whatever. It just needs to be tailored to them. Um, so what we needed was to make a cost-effective bow, and it was easy to use. It's light, and it's the best materials today, and it's advanced in the technology that it'll be utilizing. So, using SolidWorks, we created the Novum, and it's a simple bow. It's lightweight. It looks good. It functions well, and it'll be cheap, and it's not going to break the bank. And that is the most important thing, is that we built a bow that wasn't going to break the bank, that still utilizes these high quality parts. So we researched for a long time what materials, and nowadays are using anything from cast aluminum to machine aluminum to aircraft grade aluminum to carbon fiber. And we decided and determined that carbon fiber is the best thing that we can do and the best thing that we can use to keep the technologies that are needed. But we are hoping that we'll be able to source a way to make it a little more cheap, but making this a desirable bow for this person. Um, and then, so the study we did for cams, we decided that we needed to go with a machine aluminum, so it was precision, because the cam is where everything important happens. All of your physics and everything, the cam is what truly matters. And so we wanted to use the best grade aluminum that we could find, and we wanted to machine it with preciseness using like a CNC or something. So that's why we developed a double cam system too. Um, and then with accessories, we didn't want to do any accessories because there are so many great ones on the market. There wasn't a need, and what we felt was needed was the bow itself, and that's important in our eyes, is being able to have a custom bow made for you. And so we didn't focus on these things. And so working through SolidWorks, it was interesting because Cody's up in Logan and I live down here in Orem, and we had to communicate with just text, phone calls, and emails because we didn't have time to get together like we would have liked to. I'm busy, Cody's busy, and it was just hard. So communication was really hard for us. It kind of made us like procrastinate a lot, and that wasn't good because this was a big project. It took a lot of time. Um, we factored into our budget that we would only need SolidWorks, and so our budget was actually non-existent because of the educational licenses that we are able to use. And so because of that, that kept our budget down. But at the same time, so back with soft skills, we had leadership issues because not being together, not working one on one, like it was just hard. It was basically like, all right, I'm going to do this, you do this, vice versa. There wasn't leadership. So we had to really kind of develop a leadership standpoint. And I feel like that's important in a job. You need to have a leader that's going to delegate everything. And basically, we just didn't, and we really struggled in that way. So that's kind of the challenges. Conclusion, we felt like we built a really cool bow. We kept our budget, we kept our timelines, and it took a lot of time, but it's really awesome. And it's probably something we would like to manufacture one day. So thanks for listening, guys.